All right, let us start with Chuck Crosby. The Crosby Law Office's Roxy sent us an email. She paid a roofer half up front, which, Chuck, I got to think that actually is what maybe she should do. Half, not whole, that's
Yeah.
for sure, right?
Yeah, or at least cost of materials or something like that. Yeah, definitely not whole.
Yep.
And then he just ups and leaves
Yeah, he worked
after
one day. Oh, he worked one day? Then he vanished, won't return calls. I'm just wondering. And apparently, I've just heard that there are other roofers who have gone belly up. So you got to
yeah.
be careful about this. What recourse does a homeowner really have
Well,
when a contractor disappears?
when a contractor disappears, the question is, do we know where he's at? Do we know where he's disappeared to? Have we given him the opportunity to come in and make it right? If not, that's when you sue him.
If you can find them, though, right? I mean, you got to be able to.
Yeah, that's the thing. There have been folks. The ones I heard about were in Pennsylvania. They would come in after storms. They would do similar things, and they would just disappear. And there was no way to track them down, and you're just out of luck. However, a lot of these guys, you found them to begin with. How did you find them? Track them down from there. Did you ask for any references? Maybe they know how to get in touch with them. Keeping in mind that sometimes this can be a criminal issue. Sometimes this can be a civil issue. Maybe call the police, see if there's something that they can do. Taking your money and not giving you what they said they would could be a criminal issue. Anyhow, the fact is you got to know where they're at. And if you've done your due diligence, well, you'll probably know where to find them. If you haven't done your due diligence, well, you just might be out whatever you paid.
All right. A reminder for all of you, if by chance you are wanting to rehear, listen, and see this show, we've got this set up pretty simply. You can go to LouisvilleAnswers.com, and that'll take you to redirect of our actual show and video of it as well. So that's LouisvilleAnswers.com.